welcome back to the channel. What's up, y'all? So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to style camo. So baby, I hope y'all is ready for this ride. So let's get our church announcements out of the way. Hey to all of my new cousins and also to all of my cousins who are returning. I am Shauna T, and over here on this channel, cousin, we do all things plus size fashion, style, baby, and everything in between, okay? So do me a couple, 2, 3 things. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure that you comment in the comment section down below. Okay, cousins, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into the things, okay? So I wanted to be able to show you all how to go in and really get like the cost per wear out of your clothes, okay? So these camo pants that are gonna be the star of the show today, I'm pretty sure that y'all have seen me wear them a whole lot because I wear my clothes that I buy, okay? Whether it was on Instagram or even on a TikTok or a video here on YouTube, okay? So camo is a neutral, in my personal opinion. You can mix and match camo with so many different things, okay? And that's just kind of what I'm going to help you all out with as you are styling yourselves as well. Now, of course, you all know that I do have the QR code if you want to shop and watch, because everything is going to be linked in my LTK store, and make sure that you guys are following me there as well. So the first look is what I call the fancy look, okay? I say this look is fancy because you can take any type of fun shirt, whether it is feathers, whether it has ruffles on it, whether it has sequins or a lot of detail, and pair it with your camo pants, okay? So this shirt that you guys see, I actually picked up this shirt from an online boutique, which is Amory Boutique. Now, y'all, I don't know if she still had this shirt available, but I will link her website down below as well, okay? I am wearing a size 3X in this shirt, but y'all, I love this shirt. It is good to me, honey, okay? It is good to me. I love the fact that it's sexy. It's sexy, but it's also classy. The one arm or one shoulder look is really, really sexy as well. It has stretch off in this shirt, but the details is actually the statement that you're making when you walk in the room, okay? And I took them camo pants, which I have in a size 4X that I picked up from Amazon, paired it with this shirt, y'all. And I was like, we're gonna do just a tad bit of pop of color. I put on some blue shoes with it, right? You could put on some purple shoes, some gold shoes with this look, and still rock it. It does not matter, and still rock this look. I was like, the blue shoes are giving what it needs. I know you guys may not be able to actually see my earrings in the video, but I do have on like silver earrings as well. Another thing, if you wanted to add just another piece of jewelry as some accessory, you definitely can do like a little silver pendant necklace. Nothing too much, because the shirt itself is the statement. It's the star of the show, as y'all know I like to say. It's the star, okay? But I think this look can take you a number of places. Anywhere, date night, brunch, child, wherever you feel like you want to go with it, okay? To a concert. Wherever you feel like you want to go with this look. But this is what I call, you take a fun piece of clothing. This could have been one of those feathered halter shirts or one of the big bow shirts. I don't know if you guys have ever seen them before, and you could have took it and paired it with these camo pants. So you may have a fun shirt in your closet, and honey, you can pick up these camo pants, I got them linked below, and rock it. Y'all know what I want y'all to do? Tag me on Instagram. Send me a DM on Instagram and send me a picture of y'all rocking y'all clothes so I can go in and reshare y'all, okay? Quick intermission, cousin. Are you a creator or entrepreneur or inspiring creator or entrepreneur? Well, guess what I did, cousin? I got something special just for you. I have went in and started a whole new YouTube channel. And on that channel, we're going to be talking all things business, and also content creation, and also learning how to build your brand as an entrepreneur and also as a creator. And that is just from you. And the best part about it is it's all from my own personal experience, okay? So if you don't know, I own an e-commerce brand which is called Expressions Inc. And duh, I'm a content creator, right? So I have about almost 5 years up under my belt doing this thing. So I'm going to be going in and sharing all of my knowledge and also teaching you, child, not to hit your head so much, to be able to learn from my mistakes. So cousin, if this is you and you want to learn and you want to get better, baby, scan the QR code, or the link is going to be in the description. You can go over there and subscribe to that channel. Okay, cousins? So, honey, listen, we're going to go ahead and get back to the good stuff. All right? Now, the next look is what I call an office look, right? And I call this an office look just because I added a blazer to it. That's all, Chad. Just because I added a blazer to it, which is why I call it an office look. So same as that, camo pants, this blazer. I picked this blazer up from Amazon to drop. If y'all don't know about Amazon to drop, they be dropping, okay? They carry all the way up to a size 5X in the majority of their clothes. Now, this particular blazer that I have on is actually a 3X in this blazer, and it fits fine. As y'all can see, I got on this shirt right here that I'm wearing with this blazer, and I still have enough room in my arms, that's what counts. Baby, long as you can fly like a chicken, okay? And you got some room. And that's what I love about this blazer here. And I chose a brown blazer on purpose to go with the tones that were in these camo pants. And then I also, this shirt here that I'm wearing, y'all, it also came from a vendor on Amazon. I can't think of their name right now, but I have a link below. But I do have on a size 24 in this button-down shirt. And it's just a simple blue and white button-down shirt that I went in and paired with these camo pants. And y'all, the look is looking, okay? It is looking. I know some of y'all like, you put them stripes with them camo pants. Yes. Don't be afraid to mix and match your patterns, baby. It's okay. It is definitely okay to mix and match your patterns, okay? Now, I accessorize it, of course, with gold earrings, gold bracelets, and also a gold watch. My earrings probably most likely came from the beauty supply house, y'all. My bracelets, I don't remember at the time. And then my watch came from Amazon as well. Now, the purse that I decided to carry with it, I say, let me do chocolate. I chose chocolate because I was like, it's fall, and then it has the little gold accent off in it. I say that will go with the gold jewelry. Now, y'all, this purse, I have had it for a long time. Like, I just got a bucket with a bunch of different purses in it, and I was like, let me go off in there and pull it out. So I don't have a link for this particular purse, okay, just to let y'all know. But there are plenty of chocolate purses that I have linked down below for you all with little gold accents off in them, okay? Now, my shoes with this look, they're actually Steve Madden shoes, y'all. Now, Steve Madden, I know y'all know that Steve Madden carries sneakers. They carry women's sneakers, and they go up to a size 12. And that is actually where I got these shoes from, like a couple of years ago. I got these shoes. Now, this exact sneaker is not available on Steve Madden anymore, just to let you all know that. But I did go in and just link some other sneakers that you guys would probably be interested in. And they cute too, girl. They cute, okay? Them sneakers is cute. Them sneakers is cute. And just this is because I know a lot of people are comfortable when they're wearing sneakers. And you can always go in and throw on you a chocolate heel, right, with this look to mix and match it up, just so that the shoes match the purse. You can definitely go in and play with it that way as well. So that's why I call this look here the office look. So y'all talk to me in the comments. Let me know. Talk to me in the comments. Would you rock this look to the office, right? Or would you rock this just anytime you got ready to? Child, I want to put on some clothes. I'm going outside today. That is what I'm going to do. Yeah, I wanted to go in and throw in a skirt. Now, this particular skirt I picked up from Shein a couple of years ago. Yeah, y'all know Shein restocks on regular. So this skirt I picked up from Shein. It is a size 3X that I have off in it, y'all. It's stretchy. It is good material, and I like it. Okay, the elastic waistband does it for me. It also has a tie where you can tie it to, tighten the skirt if you so desire to go in and tighten the skirt. Now, I just paired this with a t-shirt that's from my brand, which is Expressions Inc. It's just called the Chill Mode t-shirt is the name of the t-shirt that's on the website. I have it on in a size 3X. And all I did was, y'all, was I just pulled it to the back and I tied it in a knot to make it more fitting on my body. Instead of just, you know how sometimes you just put a t-shirt on and just beat her? I didn't want that. We wanted to add a little, as I call it, to it, right? To give it some, I don't know, a little bit more appealing as you're dressing yourselves, right? So just kind of remember that you can kind of twerk your clothes a little bit to make them fit you and make the look even better as you're styling yourselves at home. Now this jacket, y'all have seen this jacket before here on the channel. This jacket came from Ashley Stewart's. I have it in a size 24 and put it on with this look. Also the boots. These boots are from Torrid. They are in a size 12. These boots are still available on Torrid's website. Okay, y'all? These boots are still available on their website. I want to say they have them in a brown color as well. I guess these are called like hiker or hiking boots is what I would call them. But they're very comfortable as well. So that is this look, but I wanted to throw a skirt off in here just to show you that if you even have a camo skirt, some camo shorts at home, you can go in and play with these looks with camo, because why? Camo is a neutral in my opinion, and you can mix and match it. And the other look, y'all, is a look that I wore on my solo dates, because I be going on solo dates by myself because I like to enjoy myself. Amen. Praise the Lord. Okay. I like to enjoy myself. So I was like, I was going through and you know, getting a video and everything together. I was like, you know what? I can add this look off in here. So this look here, I just picked up this shirt. Actually came from Fashion Nova. I got this shirt in a size 3X. It's actually a men's t-shirt, y'all. And I love like this like distressed denim like look, but it's not a denim at all. It's an actual t-shirt, but I just love the style. Kind of gives like grunge a little bit of this t-shirt. Same camo pants that I got on, but this time I decided to go in and pair it with my black and white Nike Dunks that I have, and the glasses that I have on with it, y'all. Those are my famous glasses I always wear. Those come from Amazon. And then I paired it with gold jewelry, gold accessories, earrings, bracelet, and also watch as well. And then the crossbody bag that you all see, I forget where I picked it up from. Where I get that bag from? It'll be down below though, but it ain't expensive. I might have got it from Amazon or like Walmart or something. It's real inexpensive little crossbody bag that I threw on with it. But that's another way that you can go in and rock your camo too. So you can definitely do it with a t-shirt. I always prefer a graphic t-shirt. To me, graphic t-shirts just adds extraness to the outfit instead of doing like just a plain t-shirt. Okay, and y'all, I just want to interject this off in here really quick. I wanted to do this video so that way you can understand like how to style yourself at home. Like you may say, okay, I'm gonna go get these pants that cousin talked about off of Amazon, and you may already have a blazer, right? And you can pair it with a t-shirt to also give you like some style inspo to let you know you don't have to be boring as a plus size woman when you're going in and styling yourself. Girl, have fun with your clothes. Have fun with your clothes, okay? So I just think that's just really important when you're styling yourselves. And it makes you feel good that you can try something new in a style instead of kind of staying stuck in one lane all of the time. Y'all know I be loving to encourage y'all, honey, and help y'all along y'all journey when it comes to these clothes, okay? But I just wanted to share that with you all. And so, cousins, that actually completes our video. That completes our video of how you can go in and actually take one pair of pants or even a skirt or shorts and style it multiple different ways for different events and still look good, okay? And still look good. When you walk outside and you go amongst the people, they ain't got to know, child. You can wear them same pants in a week and wouldn't nobody know, okay? Because you went in and you styled them different. You got to wash and dry at home, and don't you? It's all right. Wear them pants. They yours. You bought them. Wear them pants. They are yours. You bought them. So hopefully this video helped you all. Y'all, please go in, follow me on Instagram, Style with Shauna T. TikTok, Style with Shauna T, honey. And also, all of the looks will be linked inside of my LTK store. You can scan the QR code that's here on the screen. It'll take you straight to the LTK store, or you can go in the description box below. All the items are listed out there, as well as my LTK store. 2, you can also follow me on LTK. All right? Follow me on LTK too. So, cousins, as I always tell y'all, honey, in every video, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently. And do what? Baby, make sure that you own it, honey. Step off in there straight. Hey, 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 hey. Step off in there strutting, okay, cousins? All right, cousins, until next time, honey, I will talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.